Hi everyone, so today we are going to see how to push the Eclipse project to our GitHub account, and it is very easy. Just follow these steps that I am showing you. Just don't miss any one of the steps here, then you will be able to push the Eclipse code, any code, to the GitHub account. And now the first step is to have a GitHub account. This you can get, just go to the Google and type GitHub, and then here the first link you can see, just go on it, and then here you have to sign up if you are a new user. But if you have already an account, then you can sign in sign up. You just need to you need to type username, email, password, and sign up for the GitHub account. And so because I already have the account, I'll just sign in here and fill up my username and password. And then you can see here that my GitHub has opened, and these are the repositories that I have already made. That these repositories already contain the Eclipse code that I have already uploaded, and this is my account, and your account will be also shown in the same pattern. The second step after creating the GitHub account is that we need to make a repository. Creating a repository, that is the second step, is very important, as where we are pushing the code is have to be stored somewhere with some name. So here we just need to do one thing. Here on the left hand side, repositories, you can see, just click on a new repository there, and then here you have to write the repository name, any repository name. Say I write second repository, the second repository is the name given here, and just click on create repository here, and your repository will be created with the name of second repository, as you can see. In the next thing that you need to focus on is HTTP SSH. This name written here, https githubaccount.com, this is the path of my GitHub with the second repository name. So you just need to keep this in mind, that this is your path to the GitHub repository. And here are some thing written, that is create a new repository on the command line. We will be using the CMD, the command line, which is found on every system of Windows. And so till now we have created our repository. Just go to the Eclipse and choose one project that you want to send on the GitHub account, and see if I choose one of my projects here, and just click right click and go to the properties here, and here you can find the location on the right hand side, which shows the location of the project, which is there. So this is the location of the project where this project has been stored on your system, and besides, near it, there is a button which says show in the System Explorer. Just click on it and it will take you to the location where this project is there. So here is my project, and we just click on it, and here on the top, from here, why we have come on this location is because we are using this location to open our command prompt. So we can see the location above, and here we will write CMD and press enter. This will open our CMD here. So from here, the code, instructions we have to give so that our code gets pushed to the CMD. Now the first instruction that we have to give is, first step is git init, right there, git init. I'll copy and paste here, git init, and I'll paste it here. Now it says that it has initialized an empty Git repository on this location. The location that I am having and the location that you will having will be different because the paths are different. So now the second thing is, the second step is git remote add origin. Right there, git remote add origin with the path that you have on the GitHub, and I'll just copy it and paste it here and then press enter. So now this path has been taken. Now the next step that you are going to do is git status. Right there, git status, and press enter. Now so we have, it says that on branch master, but it has no commits yet. So the next thing is that we have to add there the commit. So the next instruction is git space add space dot. This is the next instruction that you have to type there and paste it. Now what you need to add, you need to add some comments. So the fifth step is git commit -m comments. I'll just copy this and paste it here. Of course you have to write it, and now it says it has taken it. Now the next thing that we are going to have is git push origin master. Just copy this and I'll paste it here, and we'll see now what is the result. Is this going to push our code to the GitHub account or not? If it does, then it will show us the acknowledgement there, and then we'll just go to GitHub and we'll refresh our repository page there. If it actually does successfully, let's see. We have to wait for it because it is processing. If there are any failures, then it will show that too on our screen on the command prompt. We have to wait for it. So now as we can see that it has given some failure here, and now it will move to the GitHub. You have to write here, just enter, and when you get the location here, just write git init again. And now the next thing that we are going to do is that we have to see that this time that it says on typing git init, it says reinitialized the existing git repository. Now so the next thing that we have to take care is the next instruction, that is git remote, that is to write git remote rm origin. Copy this, I'll copy, you just have to write it there and paste it. And now it has git remove to the origin, and again I have to write here git remote add origin. Copy this and I'll just paste it here and press enter. Now the next thing that I have to do is to get the git status. So copy the command git status and paste it here, and it says on branch master nothing to commit and working tree clean. Now we just need to add here git add space dot. We just need to add here and paste it here And then what we need to add, add dot, and commits have already been done, so we'll just put git push origin master, copy there and paste here, and then press enter. Now let's see what happens. Will it push the code or not? If it does not, then just repeat these steps again. If it really does not, let's see this time if it does. Yes, it has opened successfully my GitHub. I'll just log in here with my username and password that I have already set. You can see here. Wait, I've just written it wrong. And I'll just log in here, and if it does, then it will be successfully going to the GitHub, this code. And yes, it has done it, and it's amazing if it really does. And you can see now we just have to go to our repository and refresh it once, and you can see here that my code is on the GitHub now, and it's amazing. And you can share the code to everyone you need. And thank you very much.